Instantly transform your videos by seamlessly changing their backdrops with Capcut's powerful background removal tool. First, open Capcut and tap on New Project. Select the video clip you want to edit from your gallery, and then tap Add. Once your video is in the timeline, locate the Remove Background option in the toolbar at the bottom. It usually appears as an icon with a person or a magic wand. Tap on Remove Background. Capcut will then automatically begin processing your video to detect and isolate the subject. You'll see the background disappear, leaving only your subject. If the removal isn't perfect, you can refine it further. If parts of the background are still visible or parts of your subject have been removed, use the Restore and Remove Subject tools. Simply brush over the areas you want to bring back or erase. Once you're happy with the background removal, tap the checkmark to confirm. Now your subject is isolated. To add a new background, tap on Overlay in the main toolbar. Then tap Add Overlay and select the image or video you want to use as your new background from your gallery. Position and resize your new background to fit the frame. Make sure it's placed below your main subject layer in the timeline. You can even adjust the duration of your background to match your original video clip perfectly. And there you have it, a professionally transformed video with a brand new background.